Ever wondered if technology holds secrets beyond screens and codes? What if I told you there's a digital wizard, seemingly capable of predicting the future? Imagine scrolling through social media, stumbling upon spot-on recommendations, dreamy products or news about events yet to occur. How can digital realms anticipate your desires and future events? Join us on a journey into the world of predictive AI. We'll discover its secrets, see what it can do, and ask, can machine really guess what happens next? We'll also explore the world of predictive AI as a game changer for businesses across various sectors. Whether you're in a retail or any other industry, streamlining operations like stock management, sales, and traffic is paramount in today's fast-paced digital landscape. Put on your virtual detective hats and let's figure out the mysteries of predictive AI together. Can technology tell us what's coming up? Don't miss this chance. What exactly is predictive AI and how does it work? Well, let's break it down into bite-sized pieces. At its core, predictive AI is a method of data analysis with a crystal ball-like ability to forecast a company's future needs and events. Imagine having the power to spot emerging trends, predict potential risks, and even conjure up solutions before they become problems. It's like having a business fortune teller right at your fingertips. Now let's talk about how this magical technology operates. Predictive AI relies on a treasure trove of data, both historical and current, gathered from within the company. Without this data, it's like trying to predict the weather without looking at the sky. Impossible and unreliable. Think of predictive AI as a close cousin of big data, as it also deals with massive volumes of information. However, there's a key distinction to make here. Predictive AI doesn't hand you answers on a silver platter. It offers predictions and hypotheses. These needs to be carefully analyzed, considering your company's unique constraints and expectations. In other words, it's a powerful tool, but it's not a crystal ball. It's more like a GPS that guides you toward the best route. But wait, don't get twisted. Predictive analysis is not the same as descriptive or prescriptive analysis. Predictive analysis is all about anticipating events, while descriptive analysis observes ongoing events in meticulous detail. On the other hand, prescriptive analysis delves into the why behind an event and recommends strategies to tackle it effectively. Predictive AI provides the essential data for this prescriptive approach, answering the crucial question, how do we deal with what's coming our way? Next up, let's have a closer look at how predictive AI works in magic in various fields. Let's get started. Think about sales. Predictive AI is making waves there. Big players like Amazon are already on board. It uses fancy stuff like machine learning to study how customers navigate websites and predict their needs. When it improves the user experience, it boosts those sales numbers too. But hang on, it's not just about pleasing customers. Predictive AI can do more. Take inventory management, for instance. It can help retailers optimize their stock by crunching different types of data. Now let's talk about simulations. Predictive AI isn't just about predicting stuff. It can stimulate different scenarios too. Think of it like testing your strategies, whether it's promotions, pricing, or what products to stock. Predictive AI can help companies make savvy moves. This is all about being more efficient and competitive in the market. But hey, it's not just one-size-fits-all predictions. It tailors its insights to each business's specific needs and goals. Simulation is a powerful tool that can refine predictions and give us a better understanding of what's happening. One important thing to note is that for these simulations, you need experts, people who can analyze the data and make sense of it all. Now here's the kicker. Predictive AI doesn't stop at predictions and simulations. It's like a helpful assistant that can automate tasks within a company. Imagine you need to keep your office building in a tip-top shape. AI can collect info on its condition and even predict when maintenance is needed, potentially saving you money. These automation tasks involve things like gathering data, analyzing it, and evaluating overall performance. And the best part, These AI algorithms are super adaptable. They can work with whatever tools and systems your company already has in place. Now the question is, how do you set it up for your company? Now, don't be fooled. Setting up predictive AI isn't as simple as snapping your fingers. It takes some know-how. But don't worry, we're here to break it down for you in plain and simple terms. First things first, let's acknowledge that predictive AI isn't something you can just wing. It's a complex beast that demands a certain level of expertise. And let's face it, not everyone in your company might have those skills. That's where the specialists come into play. And trust us, they're worth their weight in gold. Now, to unleash the full potential of predictive artificial intelligence, you've got to get a few things straight. 1. Define your goals from the get-go. 2. Figure out which tools and software you need. And 3. Plan how you're going to incorporate those predictions into your existing operations. But here's the good news. The market's flooded with companies offering all-in-one solutions, driven by super precise algorithms. So why reinvent the wheel? Tap into their expertise to make sure your analysis hits the bullseye. Now, which companies are harnessing predictive AI's power to revolutionize their operations? You know, predictive AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's a game changer for a wide range of companies across the various sectors. Let's break it down, shall we? First up, we've got the heavyweights in the mass distribution arena. Think about your go-to supermarkets and retail giants. They're using predictive AI to supercharge their stock management, making sure they have just what you need when you need it. Speaking of luxury, big names in the industry aren't holding back either. Brands that define elegance and style are turning to predictive AI to keep their finger on the pulse of consumer trends. It's all about staying ahead of the curve. Fashionistas, this one's for you. Fashion and ready-to-wear brands are using predictive AI to forecast what's going to be hot on the runway next season. This isn't just fashion, it's fashion forward. Now let's talk about health. The pharmaceutical industry isn't immune to the AI wave either. Companies like Bayer and Alter Pharma are tapping into predictive AI to streamline their processes and ensure that life-saving medications are readily available. But that's not all. Multinational computer companies are also jumping onto the bandwagon. Industry giants like Cisco, Oracle, and Microsoft are integrating predictive AI to enhance their services and products. It's a digital revolution. Hungry for more? Well, guess what? Even the catering sector is getting a taste of predictive AI. It's not just about whipping up delicious dishes, it's about optimizing everything from ingredient sourcing to menu pricing. Tourism enthusiasts take note. The tourism sector isn't staying behind either. Predictive AI is helping travel agencies and companies forecast demand, ensuring that your dream vacation goes off without a hitch. And let's not forget about event management companies. They're using predictive AI to plan events with pinpoint precision, from attendees numbers to logistics. No more surprises on the big day. Now here's a topic we all have a love-hate relationship with: insurance companies. Yes, they're using predictive AI to assess risk better and tailor policies to your needs. It's like insurance that understands you. In a nutshell, predictive AI is a powerhouse. It optimizes everything from stock management to promotion strategies, to pricing decisions, and even predicts point-of-sale traffic. It's the secret sauce that's making companies smarter and more efficient. So who's already jumped on the predictive AI train? Well, you've got the likes of the Casino Group, U-Stores, and Monoprix in the retail world. SNCF and Corsica Ferries are setting sails with it in the transport sector. And as far for tech giants, Cisco, Oracle, and Microsoft are all in. There you have it. The world of predictive AI is full of intrigue and innovations, and it's charging the game for businesses in ways we never imagined. From predicting your next purchase to ensuring your dream vacation goes off without a hitch, this technology is reshaping industries across the board. But here are some burning questions for you. Can you imagine a world where AI predicts not just your shopping preferences, but your career choices or life decisions? Do you believe that predictive AI could someday predict world events or even personal milestone in your life? How comfortable are you with that idea? Share your thoughts in the comments down there. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell because we're diving even deeper into the world of predictive AI in our upcoming videos. You won't want to miss it. Until then, keep exploring the hidden mysteries of technology. And remember, the future may be closer than you think. Stay curious.